Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to be going over the trades I took for last week and the week prior to that, because I didn't make a video for the trades I took 2 weeks ago. So for the trades I took 2 weeks ago, I had two entries for gold for my two different setups. So for price action wise, we have a 3 white soldier price action, so I took that as a confirmation of trend and entry. So I entered, I put my stop loss, and as I saw that started to go down, I closed it around this area right here. Also, I risked like 0.42% and 0.3% for both trades. And if I'm risking that little, that means that I don't have that much confidence in that trade. It's also to meet the consistency rule of having a trade for each month, pretty much. And also, if you look back here for price action, you can see that price hit the same zone, retrace, hit the same zone, retrace. So that's probably showing you that right here that there's a resistance zone right here, so that's probably why it also retraced. And the second trade I took was a USD CAD for a sell. So price action wise, we have big bearish engulf followed by a bearish shooting star that broke resistance. So I entered that, put my stop loss above the new resistance zone, and I pretty much, I think, closed it around this area. I believe I risked 0.47% for this trade as well. So yeah, as you can see, for those two trades, price pretty much retraced, and I ended up in the loss for both trades. So for the trade that I took last week, we have a bullish shooting star followed by another bullish shooting star followed by a big bullish engulf that just slightly broke above resistance. So I took that as an entry and a confirmation of trend. I risked 0.5% for this entry, and the price pretty much just continued going up and hitting my TP. As you can see right now, if it wasn't because we had a lot of like high impact news coming out, like tomorrow, which is Tuesday, we have JOLTS, and then Wednesday is like ADP employment, and then Thursday is the unemployment and non-farm payroll news coming out, because Friday is Independence Day. So literally it's a bunch of news, and then it's a holiday to end the week. So it's not that good for trading in my opinion, because again, high impact news does tend to move currency pairs. So I'm probably not going to enter, but if it wasn't because of that, I would 100% enter this setup right now. And the last trade I entered for last week was a GJ buy. So price action, we had 3 white soldier price action that broke the resistance. And also we also have an ascending triangle. If you don't know what that is, I'm pretty much going to show a definition of what it is. And for this trade, I was pretty confident, because in an ascending triangle, when price breaks the resistance, it usually then shoots up the same amount of the range in which it was testing the resistance. So I was expecting it to hit this TP over here, which is why I risked 0.75%. But obviously that didn't happen, and I closed with a slight profit. But yeah, an ascending triangle is pretty much, you have a flat resistance at the top, and then you have a support trend line. So as price continues to test the resistance, it retraces, and then test the resistance and retrace, respect the trend line, test the resistance, retrace, test the resistance, until it finally breaks the resistance. And then when it breaks the resistance, price usually tends to shoot up after that. But yeah guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're still watching and if you're still following the journey, thank you. I appreciate it. It doesn't go unnoticed. If you have any thoughts, questions, input, leave it down in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.